Let us derive expression for gravitational potential energy of Earth particle system. This is Earth and this is a particle. Let us consider Earth particle system. Now our Earth is attracting the particle with gravitational force. Gravitational force on particle is given by minus g capital M small m by r square. See here. So gravitational force on the particle when it is at a distance of r from its center. For this case, the equation is written. Capital M is earth mass, small m is particle mass, r is distance between these two. The minus sign tells that the gravitational force is attractive. The gravitational force is attractive. For repulsive forces, here plus sign is kept. Now, because of gravitational pull, the particle is moving from r is equal to infinity to r is equal to r. So, some work is done by the gravitational pull. So, work done by the gravitational pull in moving particle from r is equal to infinity to r is equal to r is. So, to find this, what we do? First we take like this. dW is equal to F dot dr. Work done is scalar product of force and displacement given by work done by the gravitational pull in moving particle through a small displacement dr towards earth, that is given by dW is equal to F dot dr. This is gravitational pull, this is displacement. And if you look at the figure, gravitational pull and displacement both are in the same direction. Therefore, according to the scalar product, we have Fr dr cos 0 degrees, because both are in the same direction and cos 0 value is 1. So we write this is equal to Fr dr. dW is equal to. Now, work done in moving particle from r is equal to infinity to r is equal to r is so here we kept minus sign because minus sign tells that work is done by the system. That say when work is done by the system, minus sign comes. When work is done on the system, positive sign comes. Here work is done by the system means work is done by gravitational force. Instead, if you do work by moving the particle from r is equal to r to r is equal to infinity in opposite direction to the gravitational pull, see, along the gravitational pull the object moves because of gravitational pull. So if you want to move the object in opposite direction, an external agency is required, and you can be that external agency, and you can move the object through some height, from surface of earth to some height. You can lift the object. So to lift the object you apply some force, and that force must be at least equal to the gravitational pull. So you apply the force and you move upward, then you are doing work, then work done is treated as positive. But here work is done by the gravitational force, therefore work is done by the system itself, therefore it is negative. Now here Fr is nothing but gravitational pull, so we have to substitute the value. Here the value is given. So substituting the value, here this becomes W. Minus into minus plus. Now let us write the constants outside. Now G capital M small m infinity to r, take this r square to numerator, dr is equal to, here we use one formula. That formula is, when you integrate x power n with respect to x, you get x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is the formula. So here G capital M small m, and n, when you integrate you get minus see n plus 1, the n value is minus 2, therefore n plus 1 by n plus 1, and the limits are, now W is equal to G capital M small m, here 1 minus 2 means minus 1, and here r power minus 1. Therefore you take that to denominator, it becomes 1 by r. Now substituting the upper limit 1 by r minus substituting the lower limit 1 by infinity is 0. This gives 0 value. Therefore we get minus g capital M small m by r. So we got expression for work done. This work done is stored as potential energy at r is equal to r. Therefore here in place of W you write UR. In this way you obtained expression for gravitational potential energy, and this is for earth mass system, earth particle system, earth particle system. Suppose you want for a two particle system. Suppose here one particle is there, here another particle is there. Its mass is m1, its mass is m2. The distance between them is r12, r12. So r12 is shown like this, from 1 to 2, this is shown. So now force on 2 by 1, force on 2 by 1, force on 2 by 1. Now if we want potential energy, so in case of earth particle system, see the work done in moving the particle having mass m from r is equal to infinity to r is equal to r, the work done by the gravitational force is stored as gravitational potential energy at this point, and that we calculated its expression. Now in place of earth and particle, you are taking two particles. Here you placed a particle having mass m1 and another particle is at infinity distance which is having mass m2. So our m1 our particle having mass m1 is pulling or exerting gravitational force on this particle. So because of gravitational pull, that particle is moving towards m1. So work is done by this gravitational force, and the work done by the gravitational force in moving the particle from r is equal to infinity to r is equal to r is stored as gravitational potential energy at this point, and that value will be just like this, analogous to that. Here its mass is capital M, its mass is m1, its mass is m and its mass is m2, and here r is the distance between these two. Here the distance is r. So in this way we find. Now we are introducing another physical quantity, that is gravitational potential, represented by V. The gravitational potential energy per unit mass of a body in a gravitational field is called gravitational potential. Now let us see here. Here our earth is there. Around earth gravitational field is there. So in the gravitational field, here you kept a body of mass m. If instead here if you put 1 kg mass, Then here, what you get here? See, G capital M into small m is 1 kg by R. So here, if you take 1 kg mass, if you keep 1 kg mass in the gravitational field of this body at a distance of R, then the potential energy, gravitational potential energy, is denoted by gravitational potential. Similarly, here also, instead of, see, here you have to take m2 is equal to 1 kg. Then here G m1 into 1 kg by the distance between them is r. This is denoted by V. So according to this definition, we do like this. So its gravitational potential at a distance r is denoted by like this. So its gravitational potential at this point, if you want to know, what all you have to do is to place 1 kg mass at this point. That's all. Now let us start from gravitational potential energy. So the work done in moving m2 mass from infinity to this point is stored as potential energy at this point, and that is called gravitational potential energy, and the expression is minus G m1 m2 by R. So now see, if in place of m2 you have kept 1, this is equation 1. If m2 is equal to 1 kg, then the gravitational potential energy becomes gravitational potential according to our definition. So then, so UR becomes V minus G m1 into 1 kg by R. So dividing, this becomes minus G m1 by R. Substituting 2 in 1. Here UR is equal to minus G m1 by R. In place of that we write V into m2, or V is equal to UR by m2. So in this way also we can divide potential. Either this or this.